po yan yung focus natin. Yung mga activities natin are just drivers of our nation. We focus on our nation. One couple, one scholar. And at this point, mga kapatid, gusto ko po sinamahan muna.
Mamadali ka pa?
Sayaw po muna natin, ano?
Reklamo pa.
Of course, I'd like to commend and honor si Brother June.